Hi, and welcome to Stamp with Ginny. Today I'm going to share this fun little card for your party animal that I created with the Silly Safari stamp set. This stamp set is an all-occasion stamp set and contains quite a few sentiments that you can use all year round. So let me set this aside and I'll show you how I got started. I'm going to start with the stamping for this project, and because I'm going to punch this out, I want to make sure I'm stamping it so that the circle punch will go around it. I've got my little leopard here, and then I'm going to take my sentiment, ink it up, and stamp it close to his head. There we go. Now that I have that done, I am ready to stamp the inside of my card base. So I'm going to slide that to the side. I'm going to bring in my Happy Birthday Party animal and stamp that right here in the center. And then I'm going to bring in my Granny Apple Green and my Tropical Leaf image here, and I'm simply going to stamp that to the left of my sentiment. I've got my stamping done and I'm ready to color. So I have my Timid Tiger and my Peach Pie. These kind of are a ombre look for the color, which is kind of cool and perfect for this project. So I'm going to take the light Peach Pie, and I'm going to do his tummy here, just quickly. Remember, I'm going to punch this out, so I want to make sure I go down far enough, but I don't have to make sure that I've got the whole thing. I'm going to do his little face here, and up above his nose a little bit, like so. Then I'm going to bring in my dark Peach Pie, and I'm going to kind of add a little bit of shading. I've got that done, so I can move on to my Timid Tiger, and I can color the rest of him with that. I'm going to lay in some dark shade first and then the light. When I have that finished, I can bring in my light Peach Pie and then just kind of blend in that edge as desired. There we go. I've got my little cheetah done and I'm ready to punch him out. So I'm going to open my punch, slide him in, and punch. I've got all my pieces now, so I'm ready to start assembling. I'm going to bring in my circle that coordinates with my image, and I'm going to adhere that in the center. Set that aside so it can dry. And then I'm going to bring in my Timid Tiger panel here and my Granny Apple Green Designer Series paper. Now, if it matters to you what order these go in, you need to make sure you do that before you adhere them down and line them up. I'm going to place the two long pieces in the corner here and then the smaller pieces below and above. See, I'm going to flip that one around. No, I think I'm going to turn it up. Since the circle goes here in the center, if you want bolder color on the outside edges, you'll want to lay those panels in accordingly. Now I'm going to lay the top and bottom panels first on opposite corners so that I have my spacing and I can line things up easily. And then I can add the other two corners quickly and easily. There we go. I've got them on there. I can burnish, and I'm ready to fold my card front in half on the score line and then adhere it down. I've got that in place, so I'm going to flip over my little guy and add some dimensionals. And adhere him in place. So there you go, a quick and easy birthday card for somebody special using the Silly Safari stamp set. This stamp set is part of our 2025 annual catalog and can be found in my online store. You can get there from my blog, Stamp with Jini. Thanks for joining me.